Phosphorus is the most important nutrient for your crop after nitrogen. But that doesn't mean applying more is always better for your operation. Let's dive into why your crops need phosphorus and what happens underneath the soil when phosphorus is applied. So why do plants need phosphorus? One reason is that it is one of the building blocks of plant DNA, making it an essential part of plant tissue. Without sufficient phosphorus, plant growth is significantly limited. Phosphorus in your soil exists in 3 phases. Let's think of them like 3 buckets: unavailable phosphorus, transitional phosphorus, and plant-available phosphorus, the one plants love and can actually use. When it comes to the largest bucket, unavailable phosphorus, movement to transitional phosphorus is a very slow process. These phosphorus molecules are tied up in minerals and organic compounds. Slowly but surely, they eventually turn into transitional phosphorus through weathering and decomposition. The transitional bucket is where the magic happens. The phosphorus in this bucket is not yet available to plants, but much of it will be soon. Think of highly decomposed leaf litter, plant residues, manure, or compost. Here, microbes consume and metabolize it. Finally, it is excreted out of the microbes, giving us the good stuff: available soluble phosphorus. The most important microbes are those that hang out in the plant root zone. These microbes respond to plant signals. They won't hand over phosphorus until the plant gives them that chemical signal. So when the plant needs phosphorus, it signals to the microbes, which crank up the phosphorus solubilization. Lastly, we have the available phosphorus bucket, which is the smallest. It is comprised of phosphorus in soluble form that is geared up and ready for plant roots to absorb. As a grower, you may think the more phosphorus the merrier, so why not apply it freely? But there is such a thing as too much phosphorus. Excess phosphorus can react with soil minerals and revert all the way back to unavailable phosphorus, wasting fertilizer. Also, heavy rain can cause excess phosphorus to run off into local waterways. That's investment dollars down the drain, and phosphorus in your local water. But worst of all, with the plant getting all the phosphorus it needs for now, it stops sending signals to the microbes. The microbes slow their phosphorus process, and the precious equilibrium that keeps these 3 buckets in sync is disrupted. So even with a full bucket of unavailable phosphorus in the soil, the crop often doesn't have access to enough phosphorus to meet its needs. Phosphorus can be pretty complicated, but one thing is certain: a healthy and active soil microbiome is key to getting phosphorus to your plants. One easy way to keep soil healthy is Source from Sound Agriculture. Through one easy application, Source increases plant signaling, helping to keep phosphorus flowing to your plant when it's needed most. That's it for today, and I hope this has been a helpful summary of how phosphorus behaves in the soil.